In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and check your settings within the Commerce section of HubSpot. Now, whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, these tips will help you manage your billing tools and payment preferences with ease. To begin our journey, we need to make our way to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the home page, look out for the User Guide section to get started. This guide is designed to assist you every step of the way as you familiarize yourself with the various aspects of the Commerce HubSpot suite. Now, once you find yourself on the User Guide page, you'll want to shift your attention to the Settings option. It's situated at the top right corner of your screen. A quick click here will open up a new realm of customization options that are essential for tailoring your experience to meet your business needs. Your next stop is the Payments section. This is where you begin to delve into the financial components of your HubSpot account. By clicking on Payments, you're ensuring access to vital payment preferences, allowing you to manage and streamline transactional operations with accuracy. Next on our list is the Billing Tools. Located just a click away, this section grants you access to all of your billing-related functionalities. It's an incredibly useful feature, particularly for those managing multiple accounts. Spend a moment here to explore options that could greatly enhance your overall payment processing experience. Then, you'll find the Resources section, conveniently positioned within the same vicinity. Think of this as your central hub for informational support, where you'll be equipped with necessary tools and knowledge to optimize your use of the platform. Feel free to browse through this area, as it can be tremendously beneficial when working to resolve any issues or queries that might arise. Finally, let's turn our focus toward the Payment Reports. This feature is indispensable when it comes to analyzing your financial data. It provides a detailed overview of your transactions, enabling you to generate reports that encapsulate payment activities. Regularly checking these reports is a great habit, serving as an insightful practice that ensures everything is running smoothly and correctly aligns with your organizational objectives. To wrap things up, these steps provide you with a structured path to managing your commerce settings within HubSpot efficiently. By familiarizing yourself with these sections, you'll find yourself well-equipped to handle tasks independently and efficiently. We hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward, ensuring your HubSpot journey is as smooth and productive as possible. Thank you for joining. Feel free to explore more tutorials on our channel for further mastery over your HubSpot tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content tailored to enhance your HubSpot experience. Until next time, happy navigating.